besties, welcome back to another video. So today I got a special video for you all. I wasn't gonna record this, but you know, I might as well take y'all on this journey with me. So I have been getting acrylic nails on my nails for as long as I can remember. I'm talking about teenage days, and I thought it was time you switch it up. Now y'all know the prices of manicures and pedicures are rising, and honestly during the pandemic I did start the habit of doing my own nails, but at some point I stopped, and I used to go only special occasions, and now I just go every 2 weeks to get my nails done. But today I decided to start and to check out, let me see if I can focus for y'all, some press-on nails. So I purchased this Kiss Jelly Fantasy nail set. So pretty, right? So I decided to try on these press-on nails. This is my absolute first time putting on press-on nails, so I'm really excited, but yeah, I'm really nervous. But I think I've watched enough tutorials to know exactly what to do, I think. I'm nervous. Hopefully it comes out right. I do have a baby shower to go to in 2 weeks, so I wanted to kind of try these on now to see how it turns out. If I like it, I'll do it again. I'll get another set and do it again. If not, I'll be right back at them people's salon and get my nails done, okay? But I'm always willing to try something new. So here goes nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and drop y'all down so y'all can look at this table, and I will give y'all a little run through of what I'm doing. I think I know what I'm doing. I think because I kind of have the nails. I'm a little extra. Sometimes I just get extra material, so I have the nails. I actually had some French Kiss acrylics. Hold on, let me get that for you. So these were the original sets that I picked up at the store. I actually picked this up at Walmart, and I brought it home, and my daughter did not like it. She's like, oh my god, it's too much white. And so, you know, that girl, her opinion for whatever reason matters. And I woke up this morning, I was like, okay, well, let me go see if I can find something else. And so I did find this at CVS. This is around the same price. I think it was like $9.79 or $9.49, something like that. I did pick up this, hold on, let me get a scissor. I do have this nail glue. One of the influencers on IG, I do not remember her name, but I do follow her, so I'll tag her here. This is actually, get y'all look close up. There you go. So I picked up these this nail glue from Sally's Beauty Supply. She swore by it, says that it lasts at least 3 weeks on her nails, and then there were some other comments down below that actually confirmed what she said. So another young lady was kind enough to confirm it via DM. I DM'd her a picture which I found online, and she said this is the exact one. So I'm like, hey, you know, ooh, girl almost cut her finger. I'm trying to get this open. So I figured I'll try that out as well. This was like $4.79, really cheap, because the glue, the nail set actually comes with a glue. But listen, if I can get it to stay a little longer, because the problem with my nails is, so my nails grows really fast. My nails can grow as long gets, okay? I'm talking about, I just cut them down today, but my nails were about this length. I kid you not. My nails can grow extra long, so I have to get it done really often because it grows out pretty quickly. All right, I'm gonna drop y'all down and kind of show y'all what I have here. Let me clean my little table up for y'all a little bit. It might be too much stuff, I don't know, sure. But I'll drop y'all down and show y'all what I have, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Apparently this is supposed to be quick. It shouldn't take us long to get it done, right? If it's not quick, I'm going back to the salon. At this point, I'm just ready to go back to the salon. But I'm gonna give it an honest try and an honest review as well. So Kiss, I hope you come through for me. It's actually really cute, so let's go. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down. Don't forget to comment below if you actually have used press-on nails before. Again, this is my first time, so if you have any tips and tricks, if I did anything wrong, listen, don't judge me, okay? Don't condemn me. Comment down below any tips that you have for me, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well, because we're gonna go ahead and do a lot of great and cute little things, girly things, all right? Let's go. So I've tried to match up some of the nails already. I'm going to open this up. the glue. So I'm thinking I'm going to use a design, a really cute little design on my middle finger. I like that. So that's my middle finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to get this finger. So I need to match this with the... So I'm just going to start by prepping my nail. The review said to push the cuticles back, so try to push my cuticles back as much as possible. I'm just pushing it back right now. Then I'm going to go ahead and take all the shine out. Although I have a dehydrator, I do want to take the shine out because the more shine I take out, the longer it's going to last. Okay. So this hand is ready. I'm going to use my dehydrator. I'll have this tag down below as well.
So I've read somewhere that the nail dehydrator is actually really good for your nails, where it removes and it cleans any of the dust, natural oils, and some of the other bacteria on your natural nail plate, so that the nail gel bonds the nail surface better and it's stronger. So again, I'm trying to see if this nails can last as long as possible. So I'm going to begin by just adding some of the glue to my nail plate. Not too much, because I'm also going to add some to the artificial nail as well, to ensure that it has a better, stronger hold on the nail plate. Try not to add too much on the top of the nails, towards the tips of it, because you don't want it to spread out a little bit more. I start off by adding it in like a 45-degree angle, a little bit, to get it to adjust, and there go, and then flatten it. Because these are transparent nails, you can actually see if there's any bubbles at the bottom of it, which I absolutely hate. I think that's what gives it more of the I actually didn't shave press them down, which is what I'm trying to avoid. I want to give it more of a natural nail look, and a little bit. So I'm going to press it down as long as possible. I'm going to continue on this process. A couple of seconds is fine, but again, as you can already have all the because I'm extremely nervous, so I put it on. I think I counted for about 10 seconds, and I continued down and continued on to 20. Checked it out a little bit, and wherever I would see a little bubble, I'll try to press it down to kind of spread out the glue a little bit more evenly. And there you have it. The nail is added on there. It's actually pretty cute, and I was a little hyped now, and I'm like, okay, I got this. I can actually continue on. I think I'm actually going to really like it. The nails were a little bit longer than I expected, but you can always shave them down. right, so now that we have the first hand done, it took me about 4 minutes or so to finish the first hand. We're going to do the same exact process with the second hand by pushing back the cuticles, filing down the nails, removing the oils. I'm going to go ahead and apply my dehydrator and then begin to glue on the nails, the same nails that I've already picked out that matches the nail beds. Continue to, press those on for a couple of seconds. I'm going to speed up this video, as you can see, because of course you don't want to sit here and watch me go through the entire process, but this is definitely time saving. I can imagine being at the nail shop for about an hour or so getting my nails done and just having to wait. Although I normally have appointment, my appointment lady is actually really good with appointments. As the time that is saved, like I literally purchased this box for $9.49. I believe at Walgreens or CVS. And no, actually, yeah, Walgreens or CVS. And now being able to just pop them on real quick because I'm definitely excited. I actually want to purchase another box of these so I can have on hand for any future uses. And here's your finished product. Look at those beautiful nails. Now, if I want, shout out to Kiss for this beautiful, beautiful design. Only thing left to do is just add some cuticle oil over to my cuticles. As you can see, they're a bit ashy. But it was very nice design. It's actually very simple and matches any outfit that I have on for the week. I definitely will be purchasing another box of these just to have on hand for a quick install. The only thing left for me to do at this point, as you can notice right there, there's some little tabs. I'm going to go ahead and just shave down those tabs real quick with my nail filer to kind of get them down a little bit, and not changing the shape by any means at all, but just shaving down the little tabs, making sure that the sharp ends are taken down as well. And that's just about it. And once we're done with that, that's our finished look. Really quick. I can say a total of at least 8 to 10 minutes. You can have these nails installed once you become a bit faster. This was my first time. It might have taken me about 15 minutes or so. But again, these finished product, really, really beautiful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I have a lot more press-on nails content coming in. I appreciate you all and have a great day. Bye.